might just film it POV.
Yeah.
It'd be easier. So it's nice weather this morning because it's on video.
Yep. Go ahead, man. All right, first set. Mash it up now. Hey.
Mashed potatoes, a way of life. I'll have that song over the top of this actually for a lot of the time.
Yeah. Nice. Good form.
I think that's 12.
That was 12. There. So we're setting up the pec machine.
I think we were doing 7 before.
Do 4 sets of 7. 12 to maybe 15 reps.
Yeah,
let's go. Good. Nice form, nice form. Good. That's it. Use your breath now. Good. Good posture. Nice one. Great form.
Hectic. Great fun. I love doing this exercise. Oh yeah.
We're doing 4 sets.
All right.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead, man. Yep. We are live. Nice. Good, keep moving. Good job. Great job. Nice one.
I see your lats moving through your shirt big time.
Yeah, that's a good way.
So my gut doesn't hang out.
That's right, I've got the upper half. Go ahead. Starting on 8. Start off smaller if you want, just to get warmed up.
Yeah, well, I don't even think I was.
Just to get the movement first.
What is that? That's an 8, is it?
Try 7 or 6, whichever one first, and then we can start shifting up. That's it. 1, 2. Good form. Yes. All right. Good. Press down for your feet. Press down. That's it. Nice job. Good. Nice one. Well done. Keep moving.
That's 20.
Well done.
I'll try it. Oh, no. Got feet on the ground.
That's got to be 20. What are you going for?
Now it is.
Oh, yeah.
It's 20.
Good.
6,
Nice one.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We probably should do 15 of these. 13, 15. Yeah.
Good job. That's it. Nice.
One, two, three, 4.
Good job.
Hey.
All right.
Hey. He went to Swedish school.
Oh,
He knows a lot of Swedish. He knows a lot of Indonesian too, and Chinese,
okay.
and probably a bit of Thai. He's pretty good with languages.
It's pretty good.
How many languages have you got?
I've only got one, man.
English.
English and Australian. Australian. And a bit of Jamaican, of course. Jamaican.
What was your parents?
They're Jamaican.
They're both Jamaican.
Yeah. They still live in the UK. But they miss Jamaica, man. Yeah.
I think Jamaica's dangerous.
Yeah, well, everywhere's dangerous. The news only shows you the bad things, man. I'm telling you. These countries. When you go out there, it's a different story. And it's just a frame of mind. Whatever you're thinking, that's what comes. That's what attracts. Besides, I need to build more strength.
Don't do as heavy.
Yeah.